Hello everyone. In this question there are two equations given. Then we have to find the value of xy plus 1 over xy. Okay. I will give you best solution for this question. So please watch this video till last and also like, share and subscribe this channel. First I will write this x plus 1 over y to the power minus 2 as a xy plus 1 over y to the power minus 2, and by exponent rule we can write y over xy plus 1 to the power 2 only. Okay, by exponent rule we can write this, and after that we will write y square xy plus 1 to the power 2. Since here x plus 1 over y to the power minus 2, so in place of this we can write this value. So I am writing here, going to write this. So we can write this equation as y square over xy plus 1 to the power 2, and here we will write here x square over xy plus 1 to the power 2 equal to 1. After that we can write x square plus y square over xy plus 1 to the power 2 equal to 1, and we can write this x square plus y square equal to xy plus 1 to the power 2. Okay, and in place of this equation also we can write, in place of this expression we will write here what, y square xy and minus 1 to the power 2, others will be the same. So, and plus, for this I will write here x square xy minus 1 to the power 2 equal to 2. Here also denominators are same, so we can write xy minus 1 to the power 2 and x square plus y square equal to 2. After that we can write x square plus y square equal to 2xy minus 1 whole square. As we can see, if we consider this is a first equation and this is a second equation, then we can say that first equal to second. If we do this, then we will write xy plus 1 to the power 2 equal to 2xy minus 1 to the power 2. And here using a plus b whole square formula, we can write x square y square plus 1 plus 2xy, and here we will write also x square y square plus 1 minus 2xy, and this x square y square come this side, then this subtracted from this 2x square y square, so we can write x square y square, and this one come this side then become minus 1, and here plus 2, so 2 minus 1 which is plus 1, and this 4 minus 4xy will come to this left side, then plus 4xy and plus 2xy become 6xy. Okay, now I will divide both side by xy, then we can write this equation, that is 6xy over xy, which is equal to xy we can write plus 1 over xy equal to 6. So this is the required answer for this question, because we have to find the xy plus 1 over xy equal to what, then 6, as we have just calculated this value. So thanks for watching this video, and please like, share and subscribe this channel.